Welcome to the 5-Minute Gap. This is a series of instructional videos aimed at helping to get you up and running in the classroom with Google applications. Each video is aimed to be 5 minutes or less in length. In this video we're going to look at creating a group list in Gmail, and these lists are very powerful because you can send an email to all the students in the class just by choosing this group rather than entering in all the students' names. You can share Google Documents, presentations, photographs, everything that you can share through the Google domain of our school can be easily done by using this group list. And you can set the sharing settings on the websites that are created in your classroom by using this list as well. There's 3 steps to creating the list. It's not difficult. The first one is to generate a comma-separated value file of the contacts, and you do this using the board staff room beta. It sounds like a mouthful, but it's really easy to do. The second thing that you need to do is to import that file into Gmail, and then the final very simple step is to arrange those students into a group. So let's begin by going to the board website. And we're going to, so that's ocdsb.ca. We're going to go to staff room, beta. Now I'm already logged in, so you need to log in with your Active Directory account. So your username is just like when you log in at school, and the password is exactly the same, case sensitive and everything. So once you log in, then you need to go over to the Google account extract and select Earl of March Secondary School. Change Earl to Earl of March SS. All the student accounts are going to have their student numbers in front of this @ symbol, and then this is the correct email address. Select one of your classes. I'm just going to select a grade 9 business class. And because I don't want to share sensitive student information over the internet, I'm going to close this window down just so we don't see anything or share anything that we shouldn't, and click on View Report. So I'm just going to show you the column titles there, and just to show you that there's a student's name and first name, last name, and full email address appearing there. What we want to do at this point is select Excel format. Do not select the CSV format, it won't work. You first have to open this file in Excel or OpenOffice. So when you click export, you will be given, well, I'll show you the next window, you will be able to open or save the file. You would like to click open. Now I'm not going to click open because it'll pop open all the student information. Instead, I've created a CSV file that we can look at. So you would get something like this, only you'd have real student data in there. First name, last name, and the email address. And it'll look exactly like this except real names and real data. So at this point now is the time to create the CSV file, and you're going to save as. File, save as, and I'm going to call this example group 2, and it's already got this saving as a CSV. If CSV doesn't pop up in the save as type, then you need to select it from the menu of available files and click save. Now you want to keep the current format, which is removes all formatting, and that's the nature of a CSV, so that's exactly what we want to do. Now we can close this window. What we need to do now is get into our Gmail account, and I'm just going to open this up now. Again, I'm already logged in, so you need to take the time, pause the video, and log in if you're not already logged in. There's a variety of ways to create the group list. We're going to simply name a group, and I'm going to call this test class. You could name it your actual class. Click OK. So now I've created that test class or that group. We now need to import our contacts, and we can choose from the menu in here, or we could go to More here, Import. browse to the correct location, and I said this is example group 2. Open that and import it. So all the student names and addresses have come in there. I'm going to select this box here, and then I get the group symbol. I can now choose that group that I made, test class, and they've now all been associated with that group. In one of the future videos, I'm going to show you how to create, how to use those group lists. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.